Sorry, because it's gonna be funny.
Well, it's really not that funny, but
You're telling it, it's funny.
some kid was in line and couldn't count change out. And I'm standing there and they have the Slim Jim thing and they still have like the face of Macho Man Randy Savage. I did it out loud when it got down the counter. It's like,
What the fuck?
what's wrong with you?
Okay, I want somebody spotting this because
You don't want that falling off.
strong.
Spot
But I
check.
don't know what's going to happen.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh,
There you go. Lift.
lift, boys, lift.
Separates.
There you go.
You got it?
I smell combustion.
Yeah, where are we
Just
going?
set it over there for the time being.
Ooh. Sherman, what do you think?
That's amazing.
What's amazing?
How do they feel?
This is amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Is there
It's
a ridge?
This is great.
Yeah, this is not bad at all.
We don't need new pistons. We'll just re-ring it, hone it, and send it.
Hone it, ring it, send it.
Yeah, this
On
is
this side.
really good news on this side. No, this is really good. So when we look at these, when you look at an engine like this, there's actually a whole bunch of other things we need to look at. But the first thing you look at is you check for the ridge. The ridge is going to be the worst up here because, you know, it sits on a 45-degree angle and this gets the least amount of lubrication. Right, so we're good there. We're good here. We're good here. The second thing you want to look at, we need to get this coolant out of here.
Get a rag, somebody.
Wait, I have.
There's a rag.
There.
Get ready to grab it when you're on the last one.
Allie's got it. She pulled out a snot rag.
No,
Oh, it's not a snot rag.
Are you sure?
Positive.
she's gonna take it home and wash it.
As long as it isn't the other kind of rag.
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Oh.
Some people use socks.
I thought you used socks for.
Not that kind of a rag.
That's what socks are for, right?
You what?
Ew. You gonna scrape that off?
I don't know if that's.
Are we all lit?
They all look like
Okay, we just need to get the old pry bar again.
Uh-oh. Be careful with your toesies on that side. Here we go.
Ready?
Oh, there she goes.
Now,
Pull
before I
out.
go too much further,
Wait.
notice that you've got dowel pins here. It's still sitting on the back dowel pins.
So I see. So we gotta go kind of up and over.
Up and
Well,
over.
you can pick it up.
Straight up.
Pick it up. I'm just Grant. You
Hang
don't
on,
have
hang on.
enough
There's one.
hand
There's a
on it.
bolt.
Go ahead.
No, that's just a. That's fine.
Got?
Yeah, it's fine.
Go ahead, lift.
Oh, there she goes.
Woo!
All right. Where are we putting these?
Over here.
Over there.
So that's that. This engine really doesn't have to go get machined.
Much.
No,
We can hone it here.
We can hone it here. We can do all
Dingle
the
ball
work here.
hone.
Oh, I don't use ball.
Good. Good.
3 stone.
3 stone hone.
I was really looking forward to that.
Yeah. $2 Chuck doing 3 stone hone. That's his new album. He's $2 Chuck gonna do 3 stone hone. Anybody?
No.
Album cover?
What's that?
I was making fun of Chuck,
Let's take this off.
but it wasn't that funny. Okay, moving on.
Let's take this off.
9/16ths,
We should have
I
pressure.
think, or maybe a half's.
No, you pressure wash after.
Oh, yeah, after it's all apart. So
Pull. There you go. You like messes, Andre.
I am shocked at how nice the bores look. One of the things that we look for in a bore, however, and you can see it here, is there's some very light scoring on the wall. It's very light, but it's okay.
Yeah, we'll measure some stuff.
So it kind of looks like there's some Earl in
Just a little Earl.
there. Just a little
This is
Earl.
getting malleted up, or
Yeah, you
Pardon?
You should just pull it out.
The mallet to get it up?
Just lift.
spin
There
there
you
a
go.
little bit sideways.
Keep going.
You're gonna
Keep
need to
going.
recenter it, I think.
Keep going.
It's coming. Oh yeah, there it is.
There
Is
it
it good for
is.
you? Oh, is that the starter?
That would be the distributor.
Oh, I see. That's what it is. Starter.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on plywood. Yeah, that's what I was like. What
So let's take a look at, let's see if we can see the camshaft. So this has got to come off.
All right, let's get this off, guys.
Please take the coverage to the belly panel off.
Half.
Half.
We would like to see the bump stick.
We like to see your valley, lovey.
How green was your valley?
It probably was a lot greener until age took all the paint off.
It was.
Yeah.
It's more turquoise.
It was
Well, that's
scorched
what-
earth. Scorched earth.
policy.
Scorched earth policy.
It is green though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the fact.
Now, for what
I have
it's
that
worth-
actual color in rattle cans in my shop.
You need the purple power.
How big is
What
this
it's
engine?
worth,
3 something.
these pistons right here have a name.
They what?
They have a name.
Oh yes. They do have
Right,
that.
because there's different types of pistons. You know, a lot of pistons are flat, right? So they have a flat
love
surface.
this, yeah.
Sometimes they have valve reliefs in them, but they've got a flat surface. Then when you get to turbo pit hole, look at that.
Ooh.
Use a little clean.
I see bump stick.
Yep.
Is it good? It looks pretty shiny.
Look at that lifter just hanging out over there.
I see stuff like this, and I start to worry about the condition of the lifter.
Look at that one that's not touching.
Let's pull that one out. Let's take a look at
There's
it.
more than one. That one's
Wow!
not touching either.
We got us a problem.
Let me see.
We got us a major problem.
Sherman,
Ready?
show us the dirt. Oh. Oh, that's not good.
It's all worn out.
It's all pitted.
That's a bad lifter.
Oh.
That is bad. Now the other thing is, this lifter is supposed to be convex,
Oh,
right?
That's not really up now.
And so when I was looking at this, and that's why I said, oh, I see a problem. And I see it in multiple places here. You see this? I've got wear here and here, but I don't have wear there. So this lifter went concave. And it's only a short matter of time before it wipes out the cam.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so it's good that we took the engine down. Even though this is really good, this is not so good. So let's take a look at another one and see.
Uh-oh.
Let's see where we're at.
How are we?
No, I see this one. Do you see the wear mark on that? That's not good. Here, take a look at these two. I'll pass them around.
Pass
so
them
you take a
around.
Look at them. So,
There's a valve lift. That's the first one that came out on that.
ooh, this is very bad.
We'll see.
Look at that.
Sure they weren't convex?
Just kidding.
Well, I'm glad we got in there.
Yeah, absolutely. All of these are bad. All of these are bad. So we need new lifters in the worst possible way, and we probably need new cam.
I would get a new bump stick.
Bad
Yep,
lifters.
she needs a.
Oh yeah, she needs a bump stick.
This is bad.
That's really bad.
This is really bad. It's supposed to be very well. It's very
Barely.
subtle. You use a straight
Oh
edge
my
to find
God.
it, but I can see that this is this one stopped rotating after a while.
Yeah, that one's like this flat.
Sherman,
So
Yeah,
are you
that's
worried
the-
about the
pass it around. There you
I
go.
don't want to say cosmetic, but the black damage and
That-
the little chunks
That
out of
is
it as well?
toast. Yes, that's toast. This
Whoa!
is falling.
Oh,
wow.
look at this one.
Yeah, you see what's happened with these is that they stopped. Actually, they broke through the hardness, and this is galling.
Look at you can see that one's like
Yeah.
mushroomed out. Like you hit the center with a hammer.
Yeah, it looks like there's a depression there.
Yeah.
So these are shot.
This is all garbage.
Already made the
So,
round.
Pass that one around.
yeah, so
this
that's
was
what
the
I
good
was
one, correct? The
noticing
first one.
is I could see that it was metal to metal on the outsides of these cams, and that's a bad sign. So there's probably wear on them. Pardon?
You need a new camshaft.
Yep.
So up here, what are these black? At least from my angle, I'm seeing black on these. Is that?
That's just varnish
Oh.
because it doesn't go up. When the lifter goes up and down, it doesn't go
Wow,
past this
that's like
point.
the nicest one.
That this is
That came out
actually
here.
almost normal.
Should I pull this one?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Yeah,
that one's
that
pretty
one
close.
looks pretty normal.
But you can see the difference just by holding
Yeah,
it
this
together
one
like
actually will rock a little too. So this is the one acceptable lifter. That's what they're supposed to look like.
How long
that. Oh, yeah.
supposed to last?
Well, holy shit! Did you put that one back in?
No.
Wow, that's horrific.
They seem like they're worse over here.
Except the one that
Except
we
for
pulled
that-
from this
Taken
one.
any
Yeah,
of
that-
these out.
Oh, you
I
have,
pulled this one out, and that was a fabulous, nice one. Ooh, that one's kind of stucky.
That one's bad.
That one's bad.
Are these hydraulic lifters?
Yes. You know how you can tell? You see how it's got a little retainer in here? That retainer is keeping that in place. And actually, there's one lifter in here that was collapsed.
That's always fun.
No, I guess it's, yeah, it is. Is that the one?
Yeah, look at it's way below.
Yeah, it's way low.
knock it off. I'm so tired of this. Oh my gosh. It's like we're in, it's hell. It's been hell. This is May. We don't get wind like this.
That one's,
And-
that one's
That
not even
horrible.
Yes.
But that's the nicest one we pulled.
This to be over. I'd rather be 105 and still.
You're almost 105.
I'm almost 105 is right.
good. See, this is.
I'm waiting for you to smack me.
So when you see a wear pattern like this,
My birthday's coming up. I don't
remember
want to
they're
piss you off.
supposed to be. If you look carefully,
Embarrassing presents for all.
if you look carefully, the lifter doesn't sit square on
Here,
this,
give me your right hand.
on that. You want them all?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, you got a tattoo.
Yeah. You like it?
Here's another.
I don't know. What am I supposed to believe in?
Here we go.
Nothing.
Christmas.
We believe in nothing.
That's my 2004 F-150.
Chris gave it to me over the weekend.
The true,
Oh yeah, that's fakakta.
Yep, that's toast.
So I told him, oh,
So when you
run
see
fine,
this,
like, oh, it's
where you see a
off.
straight line like this and this wear right here and here, this lifter is no longer rotating,
No more spinny.
right? And when it does that, it doesn't get good lubrication to the top of this lobe, and that destroys the cam. So the cam on this engine was probably only a few thousand miles away from, wow,
Going bye-bye.
failing. Yeah, these are really bad.
Wow.
These are really bad.
Yeah, I'll be sending these in the post tonight.
So that's a definite not good.
No es bueno.
Nope,
How do you fix them, Chuck?
you don't.
You don't.
You
Those are
gotta-
junk.
yeah.
Buy new ones.
No, those.
You can make wall art out of them.
No, you
Yeah.
throw them at chicas
Walleye.
and corritos.
Aye.
As they're going by at
Ay,
100
ay,
miles
ay.
an hour in the center lane, and it hits the window, and the window shatters.
Oh, we use that instead of a spark plug.
At least that's what I've heard.
So what you've heard? Okay.
Is that advice we're getting from you, Chuck, tonight?
We've gotten some interesting stuff around
It's a
here.
lot
It's
of lessons
valid.
to that.
It's valid. Advice. So the other thing we should
You
look
have
at
to get an
now,
alignment after that.
what we should look at now
Howdy
is we should
dealers.
pull the fan
Pull a fan.
and the water pump
Water pump.
and the timing cover,
Timing cover.
and that way we can take a look at.
Earl pan too. What do we got?
What do you say? What?
Oh, that's
worn.
worn. Yeah, look at this side. Look how bad that is on that side.
That's Dunsky's.
You know
Yeah.
what she's had?
It.
Exactly.
It's not supposed to look like that.
No. Now, so it was time to pull
Your
this
can
apart.
has been had.
But the other thing we gotta see now
Did you do
is we
that?
gotta take a look at the timing.
Do it again.
That's gonna be interesting too. So
All
let's
right,
go
so
ahead
we
and
need
pull
7/16.
all this
What's this
off.
Pull it up. 7/16, half. Little 3/8.
Does everybody want to take one home? Show and tell.
Ooh,
Oh, that'd be fun.
paperweight.
I want one. We should turn them into some ear burn.
Andre wants a pair for earrings.
Paperweight.
Ball weights. Ooh, I'll take one.
Oh my
Anyone
god.
else?
I'll slip one into a random ventilator and see if
Come on, sit around me.
I like that. Somebody going to